10. Good morning everybody, Crypto Strang here. This morning I'm just going to go through Refinable, F-I-N-E. Now I've done a video on the 23rd of April when it was at the ICO stage. Now this morning's video I'm going to show how you can buy it on Gate.io. At the time I'd done that video, less than a month ago, it was basically at the ICO stage, just about to be launched. I spoke very favourable about this project. You know, it was just over 3 cents at the ICO stage. Unfortunately, it was oversubscribed as imagined. It really was obviously a lot of interest, and I wasn't successful in getting to the ICO stage, which was a shame because it was only 3 cents. We spoke about, you know, that week I thought it was going to go on PancakeSwap first, but in fact went on Dodo BSC first. It's now on PancakeSwap, but that week was just crazy with the price. It went up to over $8, would you believe? It dropped down, went back up. It was very volatile for a week, but here we are today. Frank, 2035, the market cap was just $62 million. It's $1.60. Obviously, the market's had quite a bit of a dump again overnight. We had a high of $2.06 in the last 24 hours. But basically, you can scroll through. So you can see there, it was on Dodo, then PancakeSwap, now on Gate.io. Now you can also see the biggest volume moment is on Gate.io. Now I really do like Gate.io, but the only downside to Gate.io is the fact you cannot buy it direct on there with fiat. So you have to send it from another exchange. So we'll go through that, how you do it. But with Gate.io, you know, it gets many new projects listed on there first. It's a very proactive, similar to Bilaxy in many respects, that it gets, you know, projects just on launch on there, so you get in early before it gets on the even bigger exchanges. But I say it's not financial advice, but $1.60 to me is very low. I can see it's having a lot of potential in the long run. Again, we'll revisit in a few months' time, see how it's going on. So, you know, since I've done that video, I say on the 23rd of April, you know, here we are now, 17th of May, you can see their marketplace is just getting going, but it stays at the top there. We're still in public beta. So please report any issues to our support team via the intercom widget. Okay, so it's still developing, still going. It's not fully live yet and going and everything else, but I think it's an excellent marketplace. And I've got this, I believe this project's got so much potential. That's why I'm really bullish on it. So as I say, on Gate.io, you cannot buy direct. So you need to go on Binance or any other. Now, again, if you scroll here, you'll see the two trading pairs are Fine USDT Tether or Fine ETH. Now, personally, I'm always going to USDT because it's so much cheaper. Now, who wants to send ETH? It's so expensive. You can see there on CoinMarketCap, they show the gas up here currently. 73 is actually slightly less than what it's been lately. It's been the 100 lately, 100, 110. But the other week it was down to 50, but here we are, 73, very high gas fees. And that's why Ethereum is really, really struggling. So anyway, you're going to use USD Tether, but there's many options when you send Tether. We'll go through that. I know I've done videos before, but people have asked me, how can I buy Fine? So I just want to do this dedicated video. So you're on the Binance dashboard. Now, below there is a link to join Binance if you've never joined it. I've also set the referral percentage in your favour. I've also done that in Gate.io, which I'll show you in a minute. But anyway, so you're on the Binance dashboard. Now, you don't have to use my link. I must say that. It's entirely up to you, but it is a good referral percentage to yourselves, however. So you're on Binance, okay? Now, you've also got your dashboard, everything here. Now, you just go and buy crypto, bank deposit. Let's go credit debit card. Now, all you have to do here is they make it very simple, Binance, since they sort of remodified the site last year. I think it's the most overall best site and very easy to use. Okay, so you go on here now. Obviously, it's a GBP one based in the UK. So, for instance, you want to put in whatever 50, you can get your card there. So I want to do that, and then but I don't want to buy BTC, do I? So basically, what you do is here you just put in USD, and you want to buy some Tether. Then all you do is just buy that, goes for a confirmation, and within sort of a minute, it's in your account. Okay, it's very easy to buy. Okay, I hope you've never had any issues buying on Binance. I certainly never had. I think it's just fantastic. Never had issues with a bank or anything like that. So once you've done that, it's gone through, and then say within a minute, it's in your account. So here you are now on your Fiat and Spot wallet, and you can see there we've got USDT Tether, just got 68.96 on here, and I want to withdraw it obviously because I want to get to Gate.io. So what you do now we go on to Gate.io. Now, okay, so we're on here. Again, I like their layout. Many projects. I said that. That's what I really like about Gate.io. You can see all the different parts about it. You've got the deposit. So again, we want to deposit USD Tether. So you put in here. Now, so basically go there, you go wallet, deposit, and then we come here. So again, you put in USDT, and obviously it brings it up. Now, this is the most important part. When I show you this, you can see all the different Tether options to send it. Okay, but obviously the cheapest we want to do is Tron, TRC20. Do not send it ERC20. So I'll show on Binance that is just crazy fees. It's like $20 fee. you know, if you want to send like $50, but if you use the Tron network, still the same tether, it's only $1. Okay, so again, there's my address. So I'll just copy that. Success. Now, what I do is now I go across here. Now you hit in here withdraw. So obviously I want to withdraw this tether from Binance to gate.io because unfortunately Fine isn't yet on Binance. So hit withdraw. Now again, you can see here USD tether. You've got here. So I'll put the address in, obviously from gate.io. You can see there it's recognized as a Tron. Now this is important. You don't want to, it won't, unfortunately, because I've put the address in, it won't let me select any others to make that mistake. Now, obviously, you've got there the address, and then I'm using the Tron network. Now I'm going to send max. I'm going to send all my USD. There's only 67.96. As you can see, I've lost 1 USD tether. That's the network fee. So much better than ERC20. So I'm just going to do that now. So everything's set up. I've got my address from gate.io. Everything's wonderful. Now I just hit withdraw. Now I hope you've all got these different security settings on Binance. So when you hit withdraw, you'll see here, it just wants to confirm that I'm happy with the address it's going to. Obviously continue. And then you get this. Now you've got basically email verification code, phone, and the Google 2FA. So I pick both of these. So I'm basically getting my email verification now, which will come through. So basically all you do is write in here, once I get that number, and also you get a text message. So obviously I'll put in here, and then obviously I'll go to my 2FA. Okay, and this is how easy it is, but 3 levels of security makes it absolutely fantastic. It's what I love about Binance, it's so much security level. Submit, withdrawal request submitted, you put in complete. I will then basically get an email stating that it's gone through, and then eventually it'll go on gate.io. It doesn't take long, the Tron network is very quick. When you go in exchange to exchange, it normally takes about 3-4 minutes perhaps max. If you're just doing it on your own private wallets, it's literally instant. But there's always that delay with exchange to exchange. So then you come across to gate.io. Okay, now I've got my tether on gate.io. So now what I want to do, I now want to go and buy that Fine or any other you like. There's so many options on here. Now I just basically, again, scroll across the dashboard. You've got your trade, spot trading, just go standard. That's all you need. Now you can see many options here. Now we've done a video before on ECOMI. It's obviously a project I very much like, and at the moment it's a crazy low price. But today's video about Fine. So you go there, just hit Fine. You can see there, Fine, USDT. Okay. So I'll just hit that again. You've got the ETH option, but obviously I've got Tether. So hit that. So basically it states there, with my 69.74 USDT, I'll be able to get 43.57 Fine. Now again, you state down the bottom here, 25, 50, 75 or 100% of my USD Tether I want to use to Fine. Obviously I want to use 100%. You can see there. So that's how much I'm going to get. So I'm going to get, you think I'm going to get 43 Fine for 69 Tether, but that was only $8 literally on launch. You can see where the potential is here. Again, it's not financial advice, but there's a huge potential here for longevity. I'll certainly be keeping my Refinable for a long term. I've set myself some price targets, but I really am super bullish on this. So anyway, so you just hit there basically. It's really easy on gate.io to buy a token. They make the exchange very easy. So hit that. And then basically what I do is here, I put in a password. Again, it's another level of security on gate.io. So no one can trade without a separate password from your login. You can see there it's gone through, order placed. Okay, and you can see there, you know, in no time, sometimes they're instant, sometimes they take a couple of minutes. Longest I've had on gate.io was basically about 20 minutes once when we didn't have much trading on a certain project. But anyway, and that's it. That's how easy it is to get yourself some Refinable on gate.io. I've used gate.io for a long time now, never had any issues. I've deposited, I've withdrawn. I say they just need that part when you can buy direct on it. That's the only thing missing from the gate.io sort of whole project. You know, it's got so much going on. We look at their dashboard, everything they've got going on. It's a wonderful, wonderful exchange. They just need to be able to buy with fiat. Now, as I talked about on the commission rate, what you do here, you can actually set your own commission rate. Now, what I've got here is, you can see there that basically gate.io always, because they messaged me about my last video and said, oh, well, you can join us and be this person. They've literally overnight changed my commission levels. So what I'm going to do is change it back to what it is. So I'm just, you can see there, success. There you go. I've just changed it. Okay, I don't know why they've messed about with it, because I've joined them as like a partner. They've changed my commission to 40%. I don't want that. I'm not here to make 40% of everyone who joins under my link. So basically what it is, the maximum they'll allow me to give you is 30% and I get 10%. This is being completely honest and transparent with yourselves. So there you go. Just wanted to be honest, the fact that, you know, they'd changed it and I'm changing it back. You know, I noticed that this morning. I was like, well, you know, when I was just preparing this video, I thought, well, why have they put that back? Because I joined them as a partner, as I say, a part of their, you know, they welcome people on board who've done videos before, and they sort of join them as a sort of partner. So there we go. We're back to, if you join under my link, you get 30%, I get 10% as a bonus. It's entirely up to you if you use my link though. Honestly, it's entirely up to you. But if you don't use my link, please make sure you join the official gate.io and not a phishing site. So there we go. That's how easy it is to get Refinable. Fine. You know, there's other ones on there, ECOMI, many other projects on gate.io. So if you ever come across a project on just gate.io and not on many other exchanges, you can basically use the same format to buy on Binance, send USD Tether to gate.io, and there you go. So anyone want any help as usual, email me, info@cryptostrain.com. All social media links are below. Join us on the Telegram, have a chat over there. Thanks very much. Have an absolute wonderful day. Thank you, people. Cheers. Bye.